Now let's assemble this chassis and motors. So first we will hold one motor like this and keeping its head like this. Okay, or you can put it like this, and then take one attachment like this. Okay, and push it here through this hole, which we having on this side. Okay, so put one attachment to this hole and take another one, and what you have to do, you just put it here like this. Okay, and take one screw like this, open the screw and push it inside this hole and push it through the hole which we are having here on the motor. Okay, like this, and just pass it through the hole like this. Okay, and now here we will put the nut. So we'll take one nut here, this one. It is a bit tricky. Okay. All right, so one nut is placed, then take another one, and we have another hole here, just put it through, right, and place your nut here like this. Now we will hold the nut here and just tight it. Okay, take the second one, tight it. Don't push it too hard, or don't tight it like this. Okay, okay, now take another motor like this, place it here like this, and we will do the same with this one. Just push it like this, place it here like this, take one nut and bolt, unscrew the bolt, place that, that's one. Okay, so this side is completed. Now we will go to next side. Okay. Now the wire of these two motors on the same side, we will this hole We'll push them outside. Like this. Okay. And all 4 wires of this side. We will push them with a sole to the next side. Okay. So that's how we attach the motors to our chassis. Alright. Now in next video we will check the polarity and connect the wires.